Why is doom scrolling so hard to stop?
Great question. Short videos feel tiny and harmless, but your brain sees them. Like sparkly rewards, each swipe gives your brain a fast hit of excitement. That excitement teaches your mind to chase the next clip. YouTube Shorts, TikTok, and Reels are designed to keep your brain guessing. Guessing keeps you hooked, and guessing is what makes the habit stick. Today we will uncover how this works, and how to take your focus back.
So, what does that actually mean?
In medical language, short videos activate the dopaminergic reward loop. This loop loves speed. They overstimulate the prefrontal cortex, the part of the brain that manages attention. Too much input means less control. In kid-friendly language, your brain gets tiny fireworks. Every time you swipe, it wants more fireworks immediately. The speed, colors, sounds, and constant surprises keep your brain too busy to slow down. You are not weak. You are responding to brain chemistry designed for survival.
Does the brain really change from small steps?
Yes, your brain rewires itself based on what you repeat. Repetition trains pathways. Short videos increase dopamine bursts and delay activation of the frontal lobe. That is the part that helps you focus and make wise choices. This creates micro-cravings, tiny urges that pull you back to the app. Guarding our attention is guarding our heart. Small daily habits shape who we become.
How does this show up in real life?
You see it in school, when focusing on homework suddenly feels exhausting. Your brain wants fast rewards. You see it in emotions, when your brain wants quick fun instead of calm thinking. The balance is off. Friendships suffer when kids scroll instead of listening or playing. Families feel it during meals or car rides, when screens steal connection. And in habits, scrolling becomes automatic, almost like blinking.
So, small equals big?
Yes, small really equals big. Tiny pulls matter. Imagine a puppy tugging a rope. Each tiny pull strengthens the habit. Short videos do the same, pulling your focus little by little, until the rope feels tight. But tiny steps in the opposite direction, like one pause or one longer video, can loosen the rope. Your identity grows from these small choices.
So, how do I start?
Here is your simple 3-part reset. Easy to try. 1 thought. Say, I choose what my brain becomes. That choice matters. 1 feeling. Practice calm breathing for 10 seconds to reset attention. 1 behavior. Swap one short video session with a longer meaningful video or a quiet hobby. Small swaps teach your brain to stretch its focus again.
What should we do today?
Your tiny challenge today is to take a single scroll pause. Just 1 moment. Put the device down for 1 full minute before the next swipe. Notice how it feels. Comment the word focus to join the challenge. If this episode helps you feel stronger, you are welcome to subscribe and grow with us. Your attention is powerful. Every step you take helps you reclaim it. You are rewiring your brain through tiny acts of wisdom. That creates clarity and peace. Keep practicing, keep choosing, and you will see your focus grow stronger each week.
See you in the next episode.